Good morning, student. Let us see question number 7 of exercise 6.2. Question 7 is like this. By computing the shortest distance, determine whether the following lines intersect each other. There are two questions. In first question, the equation of lines are given in vector form. In second question, the equation of lines are given in Cartesian form. Let us solve both the questions. First one, let us see first one. We know the shortest distance between two lines r bar is equal to a1 plus lambda 1 b1 bar and r bar is equal to a2 bar plus lambda 2 b2 bar is given by d is equal to determinant of a2 bar minus a1 bar dot b1 bar cross b2 bar upon mod of b1 bar cross b2 bar. Isn't it? That we know. Now let us find the distance. Now here by comparing this equation with first and this equation with second, we get, now we directly find a2 bar minus a1 bar. a2 bar minus a1 bar is equal to, what is a2 bar? a2 bar is nothing but this 2I minus j. This is a2 minus a1 is I minus j. So we get here 2I minus I, that is I, minus j plus 0j, that is equal to only I we get. Value of a2 bar minus a1 bar is equal to I only, I cap, isn't it? Now we find b1 bar cross b2 bar is equal to determinant of I, j, k. b1 is this 2, 0, 1 and b2 is, here we can compare this mu, can write mu instead of lambda 2 we can write mu b2 bar. Here b2 bar is 1 minus 1, isn't it? That is equal to, after solving this we will get I into minus 1 0, here 0 minus 1 minus j into minus 2 minus 1, isn't it? Plus k into k cap into 2 minus 0, that is b1 cross b2 is equal to minus I plus 3j plus 2k, isn't it? Mod of b1 cross b2 is equal to square root of minus 1 square plus 3 square plus 2 square, that is equal to 1 plus 9 plus 4. that is equal to square root of 14. B1 cross B2 mod. Now put the values in D. Therefore D is equal to value of A2 bar minus A1 bar is equal to I dot value of B1 cross B2 is minus I plus 3J plus 2K upon value of mod of B1 cross B2 bar is square root of 14. Now find this. I dot I 0 means I dot I means 1. Here you will get minus 1. Remaining plus 0 upon root of 14. That is equal to minus 1 upon square root of 14. That is equal to 1 upon square root of 14. Here D is not equal to 0. Therefore, given lines do not intersect each other. When we can say that given lines are intersect if distance between them is 0, but here distance is 1 upon 14 units, which is not equal to 0. Therefore given lines do not intersect each other. In this way we can solve question number 1. Now we will solve question number 2. We know that x minus x1 upon a1 is equal to y minus y1 upon b1 is equal to z minus z1 upon c1, and x minus x2 upon a2 is equal to y minus y2 upon b2 is equal to z minus z2 upon c2. Be two lines, then shortest distance between these lines is given by D is equal to determinant of x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2 whole divided by square root of c2 b1 minus c1 b2 whole square plus, now cross, c1 a2 minus a1 c2 square plus a1 b2 minus b1 a2 whole square. By using this formula we can find the distance between these two lines. Here comparing given lines, we get x1 is equal to 5, y1 is equal to 7, z1 is equal to 3, minus 3, A1 is equal to 4, B1 is equal to -5, C1 is equal to -5, and x2 is equal to 8, y2 is equal to 7, and z2 is equal to 5. A2 is equal to 7, B2 is equal to 1, and C2 is equal to 3. Now put this value. Now we put the values. We get, first we find numerator. Numerator is equal to, we have x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2. Now find numerator. That is 8 minus 5, 7 minus 7, 5 minus of minus 3. Here values 4 minus 5 minus 5, and 7 1 3, which is equal to 3 into bracket minus 15 plus 5 plus 0, no need to write, plus 8 into bracket 4 minus become plus 35. 7 5s are 35. That is equal to minus 30 plus 8 into 39, which is equal to minus 30 plus 312, which is equal to 282. Isn't it? And denominator is equal to square root of C2b1. Here the value is 10. Here the value is 10. Minus 10 square plus, here the value is C1A2. 7 5s are 35 plus 12, that is equal to 47, minus 47 square plus 39 square, which is equal to square root of 100 plus 2209 plus 1521, that is equal to square root of 3830. Therefore D is equal to numerator upon denominator is equal to 282 divided by square root of 3830, which is not equal to 0. Here D is not equal to 0. Therefore given lines do not intersect each other. In this way we complete the part of line chapter. Now the last part is remaining, that is plane. We are going to see in coming video.